Okay, thank you very much. Okay, first, do you like trees? Yeah, I very like trees because trees is trees are one of the biotic component, and then trees produce oxygen for us to breathe, and yeah, many others benefit from trees. So I like it. Are trees important in our lives? Yes, trees is a very important component in our life because yeah, they produce oxygen for us, uh, and then sometimes, yeah, not sometimes, but often, trees is prevent our environment from the disaster, especially flood, landslide, and the other disaster. So it's very important, and many have many benefits from trees. What kind of trees do you like most? Yeah, my favorite trees is yeah, penis. What penis trees? Um, because it produces good smell good, um, and then yeah, can be relax if we know about its smell. So I'm very like penis. Are there many trees in your area? There are few trees in my area because I stay in big city in Surabaya city. So this is one of the metropolitan city in Indonesia, especially in Central Java. So yeah, now it's very little. It's very few trees. Have you ever planted any trees? Yes, I have. When I joined social involvement in one of the village in Karangir city, one of the event that we held, uh, my friend and I held, is planted some trees in the empty area. And so yeah, I have it. Would you like to plant trees in the future? Yes, it's very. I'm very like, and I have a planning. I have planned to plant many trees in the future because yeah, you know what about reboundization or yeah, and replanting some plant or especially trees because yeah, uh, to supply the oxygen of our planet, or yeah, sometimes to prevent disaster. But sometimes trees is produce wood, too many thing to make anything. Sometimes make chair, many table use trees. What type the trees do people plant in your hometown? In my hometown, yeah, mango trees, as fruit trees, yeah, yeah. But in every house, I almost see I almost see mango trees. Yeah, because it's very simple to plant and easy to cure to take care it. So yeah, mango trees is one of the famous trees in my hometown. What is the most popular tea in your country? Hmm, I think the popular trees is yeah, mango trees because it's very simple to plant and take care of it, and then yeah, it produces many fruits and many mango fruits. I think in twice in year. So yeah, that the root is very strong, and then sometimes the fruits can can be produced be juice and some some food. So yeah, that's the I think that's my it's that's is the that's it's the popular trees in my country. What's the benefit of planting more trees? If we talk about the benefits of planting more trees, I think yes, like I said before, that um, the trees produce oxygen for us, prevent some disaster. We can use the wood to make something like table, chair, and then sometimes we can use the wood, yeah, to yeah make fire, yeah. If we um if we live lived live in village, we use wood for making fire to cook some food. And then I think make the atmosphere, the temperature is cold, not hot. I think that's all of the benefits of planting more trees in our life. Okay, thank you very much for watching.